a day, you guys. Maddie here, yes. And it is Friday, so as promised, I have a video coming to you. And also with that, I thought today would be funny in honor of my first full week of uploading. Well, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. To show you my first attempt at a DIY video. DIY video, and why I don't ever do them. So I hope you enjoy my first attempt. Yes, my phone is the wrong way in this video, and there's just a lot going on. I've grown since this video that I'm gonna show you. So enjoy, and just don't expect too many DIY videos unless you want to see me just create something and not do well with it. So thanks for stopping in. Happy Friday. Enjoy the weekend, and I hope you learn a lot from me making a candle out of a beer glass. What a day. What's up, you guys? I just want to pop in here and say I realize my phone's the wrong way. I literally say that like I have an audience, Paco. Okay. So I'm wearing this hood because I'm being super dramatic and it's cold-ish. Okay, it's like 70 degrees, but my house is cold. Okay, I'll take it off. Oh, I look so cute. Oh my God, I like such a boy cut. What is that? What is that? I decided I would be like an artsy girl. I'm never, ever artsy. So I am making a candle. Like, why? Why am I? So I'm going to make a candle of something that smells super dope, which is sangria sunset. Ooh. I just want to pop in here and also say that that candle that I burned and decided to use as the candle wax for this next candle, poor thing. Sangria sunrise is a beautiful scent. Ooh. And just like in this beer bottle. Anyway, so I have this Lucky Buddha beer bottle. I'm gonna like make my hair look like, all right. I don't know why I just pouted my lips. Anyway, I have this Lucky Buddha beer bottle. The Sangria Sunset. And string. Alexa, volume 2. All right, chill. That seemed to be the same sound, so nothing really changed. So I Googled how to make a candle. Kind of like didn't even watch the video. I just like scrolled, saw like her facial expressions in the video on how to make a candle. So I'm gonna do this based on my face is matching hers. So yeah, the fire department's it's literally down the street. We're fine. We're fine. All right, so, I mean, like, what I saw was just, like, melt a lot of this. Oh, this in. Oh, my gosh. I just said that so bad. I'm so sorry. Look at this. Literally the easiest thing I've ever dealt with. All right, we're going to do that. I'm going to, like, probably pull this wick out, though, right? Okay, all right. That's literally freaking me out. All right. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna like pull this wick out. That's what Paco, you're supposed to be helping me with the video. Why are you barking? Paco, you're not even being helpful. All right. You guys. In the name of love. Oh my God, I got on my lip. I like get why people do all these like YouTube, Pinterest videos. Right, it's microwaving. So then I'm gonna put it in here, but I'll let you know if it microwaves normally. It did not melt. All right. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I just thought of the most brilliant idea. All right. So you know how that's probably gonna be super messy? All right, hold on. Ow. Hot. Okay. There's just a lot going on right now. All right, you guys. Okay, here we go. All right, so she was kind of like, stick this in, because this is like obviously what you have to light. Hopefully it works. Oh shoot, oh shoot. I guess I could have done like the whole cool like cut the candle thing, you know. Here we go, I'm gonna pour it in. Oh, you guys, it's so cool. Oh my gosh. And there's still more wax left. So excited about this candle. All right, guys. So you keep it like this, apparently. Kind of like this, give him like some extra string. Why do I keep doing that? I'm like 10% more confident making this because now I want to keep it. I guess I'm gonna let it chill. And kind of just like be lit. And that's it. So I guess I'll see you guys soon. All right, well, that's all for me today because that was enough and that was mortifying and yet also kind of nostalgic and also DIY is not for the faint of heart. But as you know, guys, I'm here Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. TGIF. And I will see you guys next Tuesday. What a day. Subscribe, like, and I look forward to more videos next week and, if anything, better content. Happy weekend. Leftover French fries.